Editing the menu in Wix Studio allows you to customize the navigation of your website. Here's how to do it. Log into Wix. Go to wix.com and log into your account. Open the Wix Studio project where you want to edit the menu. Access the editor. Once you're in your Wix Studio, click Edit Site to open the editor. In the editor, navigate to the page where your menu is located. Select the menu. Click on the menu element you want to edit. This will highlight the menu in the editor. A settings menu will appear from the menu options. Edit menu items. To edit menu items, click on the Manage Menu button. You can add, remove or reorder menu items by dragging them into place. To edit a menu item, click on it and modify its label or link. Customize the design. You can also customize the design of the menu by changing the font, color, spacing, and more under the Design tab. Save and publish. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save and then Publish to make your updated menu live.